Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here, let me go back. Here we need to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on three dots icon in the right upper corner to open more options, and here tap on reset app preferences. So your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and default apps for actions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset if you're ready, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.